Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the jumper pack is charged to at least half and rated for a 12-volt system. This prevents underpower or damage. Once done, park the car safely, set the parking brake, and switch off ignition and all electronics so you don't draw current. Next, put on gloves and eye protection because sparks can happen. Make sure the pack's power switch is off before touching clamps. Finally, place the pack on a stable surface near the battery to avoid strain on cables. You attach the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal first to establish the correct polarity. A secure contact prevents high-resistance heating. Then, attach the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal grounding point on the engine block at least 6 inches from the battery, because that reduces the chance of igniting hydrogen gas. Once clamps are secure, double-check polarity and cable routing to avoid touching hot components. Then turn the pack on and observe any indicator lights before attempting to start the engine. You attempt to start the engine once the pack is powered. If it cranks but won't catch, wait 30 to 60 seconds between tries and limit attempts to 3 to avoid damage. Once the car runs, turn the pack off before removing clamps and always remove the black clamp first to minimize spark risk. Then remove red and stow everything. If nothing happens, check that clamps are clean and tight, confirm the pack charge, and consider battery sulfation or a bad alternator as next checks. Get professional help if uncertain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.